Have you ever watched a flock of geese flying in a V formation? It's not just a pretty sight, it's a brilliant strategy. By flying together, they create an updraft for the birds behind them, making the journey easier for the entire flock. This is a perfect example of how unity creates strength. Think about it in our own lives. A single thread is easily broken, but when you twist many threads together, you get a rope that's incredibly strong. Whether it's a sports team working together for a win, a community coming together to solve a problem, or colleagues collaborating on a big project, we are always more powerful when we unite. We can achieve so much more together than we ever could alone. Each person brings their unique skills and perspective, and when combined, we become an unstoppable force for good. So let's remember the power of teamwork and support one another, because together we truly are stronger. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.